For decades, Wagner Plate Works has manufactured the finest pipeline repair parts in the world and sold them through different distributors. Now, those parts are going to be sold directly to the end user through a new brand called PipelineRepairs.com. This is a current listing of inventory items: half-sole repair sleeves style 15, girth weld sleeves style 10, pumpkin style sleeves style 20, fabricated repair sleeves style 30, custom sizes and custom grades. Steel repair sleeves are an ideal option for maintenance needs, as they allow repairs to be made without shutting down the pipeline. Here are a few of the configurations for steel repair sleeves. First, the half-sole configuration. Next, low-profile pumpkin sleeves for pipe connection points. Girth weld sleeves. Finally, our best in bridging sleeves. All products are manufactured from quality carbon steel material with ASTM/ASME specifications. All parts have verifiable material test reports and heat numbers prior to producing all parts. It's time to go direct to the source to purchase your pipeline repair parts. To find out more, call 918-447-4488 or go to PipelineRepairs.com.